Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to redo a video I did a few weeks ago. I did a video on PCR versus the PCR test because I felt a lot of people on social media and people I meet were not really understanding the differences. But my previous video was a bit too simplistic and a bit misleading, and there was also an error in it, so I thought I'd correct myself. Before PCR, if you had a very minuscule, tiny amount of DNA, really minuscule, from a crime scene or archaeology dig or something, or paternity case, and you wanted to analyze it, you have to turn it into, you have to make billions of clones, billions of copies of the DNA fragment, okay? But you have to basically take the DNA fragment and engineer it into a plasmid, clone it in, and transform the bacteria, and then transform it into bacteria and grow the bacteria, okay? The process of transforming into bacteria, or the process of engineering the fragments of DNA into a plasmid, okay? The process of engineering the fragment of DNA into a plasmid to weeks to months, okay? But then you could transform it into bacteria and grow billions of bacteria up in 24 hours to get billions of copies of the DNA, okay? PCR came along and avoided the needed for all the plasmid engineering. So it reduced the period of weeks to months to down to about an hour, okay? This is why PCR is so famous. It cut out 99.99999% of the time needed to do the work. The PCR test also actually did get a Nobel Prize. I made a mistake about that. It was cited in the PCR Nobel Prize in 1993. But I think amongst scientists, PCR is more famous because it speeded up the process of making billions of copies of DNA by at least 500 times. It reduced from weeks to months to about an hour. So, and yeah, but as correct before, PCR does not analyze. It just turns one fragment into billions of copies, okay? Or a very minuscule sample into a large sample. Okay, hope that helps. Please like, subscribe, help me get to 50 subscribers, press the bell, comment. Thank you very much for your support.